Good morning, sixth graders. Hopefully, this is the last time I will have to be teaching you from my computer on my couch. I'm due back to come on Monday, provided I don't have any symptoms. So we'll keep our fingers crossed for that. Today, I have assigned you one last metric conversion practice sheet. I'll give you a second to groan about that. Are you done? Okay. The reason I'm hitting this so hard is because this is one of the sixth grade standards that we have to master this year, okay? So this last activity I want you to pay really close attention to because this is the activity I'm really going to be looking at to see where you fall in the standards, whether you meet the standard, whether you're still in progress, or whether you are beginning, okay? So I'm going to start you out with this. I'm going to start you out on this video, doing a couple from each page, and then hopefully that'll give you enough momentum to continue and be able to finish this in class. All right. One thing about this sheet is that there isn't a place to put your name. So right now, why don't you go ahead and make sure you write your name and your hour on the top of the page. I'll give you a second to do that. And then what you'll see on the top of each page is the mnemonic phrase that we've been using. King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. And this has the standard units of measurement for mass, volume, and length right here underneath the U, underneath unit, okay, to remind you. All right, so it's just like we've been doing before. This first one says 43 or 48.3 grams equals how many kilograms? Okay, well, we're starting here. We're starting at grams, and we're going to go to kilograms. So we have to move the decimal 1, 2, 3 places to the left. All right, so if we do that, here's the decimal right here. 1, 2, 3 places to the left. So our answer is going to be 0.0483 kilograms. Right? We'll do one more on this page. 1.8 or 183.5 centimeters equals how many meters? All right, we're going from centimeters. We're going to go over to meters because that's the standard unit of measurement here for length. So we go 1, 2 spaces to the left. Here is the decimal right here between the 3 and the 5, and we're just going to move it 1, 2 spaces to the left. Did I say right before? I meant left. All right, so it would be 1.835 meters. All right, and these are all the same, okay? It's just moving the decimal left or right on this page and on the second page. Second page is the same stuff. You're seeing some more liters on this page. Okay, so let me just do this one with you. From liters to milliliters. All right, so we've got 0.2 liters over to milliliters. Liters is this unit right here, standard unit of volume. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3 spaces to the right. So we go 1, 2, 3 spaces to the right. And it would be, our answer then would be 200 milliliters. Make sense? I hope. Again, this is review. We've been doing this for a while. Pay close attention. Make sure you are paying attention to what is a decimal and what is a comma, like this one right here. Look at this. 1,243 centimeters equals how many kilometers? Okay, well, this isn't a decimal here, right? The decimal would be right here. So how many kilometers is 1,270 or 1,243 centimeters? We would have to move the decimal from centimeters to kilometers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces to the left. Okay, so it would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces. The answer here is going to be 0.01243 kilometers. Right, then we've got some word problems, your very favorite. So we'll do one here. Sam wants to make fruit punch for a party. Delicious. The recipe calls for 3.2 liters of lemonade. How many milliliters should he buy at the store? Should she buy at the store? Okay, well, it's the same thing. Just because there's a whole bunch of words there doesn't mean it's more confusing or more difficult. You're just picking out the pieces of information. So really what they're saying is 3.2 liters equals how many milliliters? That's all they're asking. And we did that a whole bunch of times on the first two sheets. So all we got to do is go from liters to milliliters. Okay, so liters to milliliters, 1, 2, 3 spots to the right. And so our decimal would move 1, 2, 3 spots to the right. 1, 1, 2, 3. So it'd be 3,200, right? 3,200 milliliters. Okay. Let's see. A cat weighs 25 kilograms and a dog weighs 6,589 grams. How many kilograms do the dog and cat weigh altogether? Oh my goodness. Okay, so for this one, how many kilograms? Okay, so for this one, best thing to do is they're looking for their answer in kilograms. So we got to make these both into kilograms, okay? So the first thing would be to make this number into kilograms. So we're going from grams to kilograms. We would move the decimal 1, 2, 3 places to the left. So it'd be 1, 2, 3 places to the left. That's going to be 6.589 kilograms plus 25 kilograms equals what? So you're just adding these two things together. All right, don't let all the words confuse you. You guys know how to do this. Let's see how these ones go. During the week it snowed. How many centimeters did it snow? Okay, so you're just taking this meters and you're converting it into centimeters. A car weighs 840,100 grams. How many kilograms? You're just transferring this into kilograms. While jogging, Sophie ran 629 meters. Ava ran 0.732 kilometers. Who ran farther? Okay, so you're just going to have to make these into the same unit. Okay, so you can either keep Ava's kilograms like this and transfer this into kilograms to see which number is bigger, or you can make this into meters and see which number is bigger. Okay, on Monday, Jose drank 4.35 liters of water. On Tuesday, he drank 6,054 milliliters of water. How many more milliliters did he drink on Tuesday? All right, so then in this one, they wanted in milliliters, so he's already got it in milliliters for Tuesday. Just change this one into milliliters for Monday and see which one, see how much more he drank on Tuesday. So you're doing a subtraction there. All right, I hope this goes well. If you are completely lost on this, like, oh my gosh, there's just no way I can possibly do this. I don't even know what you're talking about. I don't speak metrics. I'm not Canadian. Then send me an email and maybe I can make an individual video for you. Otherwise, we can iron out some details. If everyone's got the same kinds of questions, we can work on this on Monday when I get back, all right? Otherwise, like I said, Be really careful with this assignment. Read the questions very carefully. I'm going to be using some of these questions to determine if you have met the standard or not. All right? Have a great weekend. Fingers crossed I will see you on Monday, okay? All right.